Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to export table data to Excel sheet using SQL query. So generally if you want to export any data from the SQL server to flat file source or Excel, you need to use the import export wizard. Okay. So go to your database, right click on the tasks, right click and go to tasks. So here you find in last you find import data and export data. So click on the export data. So one wizard is getting open. Before that, so this is my EMP table, which is there in healthcare database. So here you find 15 rows. So I want to export by using this export and import wizard. So go to next and select your data source. So here my source is the SQL server. Go to drop down and here at last you can select SQL native client 11.0. So server name is admin, database name is healthcare, and go to next. So here it is asking destination. Choose destination. See here I am selecting Excel. Excel. So here I haven't created any Excel sheet. I am creating one Excel sheet here, the desktop. So I'm giving name as EMP. emp.xlsx. So here I am browsing the path. Browsing the words. Select the file. Open it. Go to next. So here there are two radio buttons in there. Copy data from one or more tables or views. Write a query to specify the data transfer. So here I am selecting this write a query to specify the data to transfer. Next. So here I need to write my logic. So here what is my logic here? In the employee table I want to get that where department is null. I want to get the details of the employees where the department is null. For that, I'm writing query select star from EMP where DEPT is null. Is null. So go to next. So here you can see in destination table. So this is how the name will appear. So if you want to make some meaningful name like EMP data, I am taking EMP data is the name. Go to preview. I have only 4 rows in the table where the department is showing null. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 employees where the department is null. Then click OK. Next, so this is some warning messages. So next, run immediately. Next and finish. See, 4 rows are transferred. And just go to your desktop, open your emp.xlsx. See, sheet 1 is the as per default Excel sheet 1, but here the data will be stored in the EMP data. Whatever there in the Excel sheet with the logic of department is null details, all these details are exported into this Excel sheet by writing the Excel query. So instead of selecting the entire table, just you need to select the radio button option, write a SQL query to transfer the particular data so that it can possible to export from the SQL tables to your destination, either it is Excel sheet or flat file source. This is how you need to do. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.